Hello fellow grower, magandang araw ng linggo po sa inyo and I'm back again in my channel, The Late Grower. Now, this time naman po, i-share ko sa inyo itong aking pinapatubo o pinapalaking ubas. Yes, I'm growing a grapevine in a container. Ito po yung container niya. Nabili ko po itong ubas na ito na nakalagay siya sa nursery bag na it was about the size of a 1 gallon pot. Okay, so after I bought it, I transferred this grape into this container. So this container is about 15 gallons in size. And I bought this sometime April. So about 4 weeks na po siya ngayon at after I transplanted it into a bigger pot, it started growing. It was about this height, about 2 feet when I bought it. Ayan, yan lang po yung height niya. And right now po, gano'n na siya kataas. Just about 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, 4 weeks, ganyan na sa kataas, naabot niya na yung kanyang canopy. Yung canopy po is about 7 to 8 feet from the ground or 5 feet from the base of the plant. Now, I have one concern about this grape plant. Although it is growing, it's getting tall and it has reached its canopy. The canopy that I set. By the way, yung pong sistema ng pagpapalaki ko dito ay hindi po balag. I'm not using an arbor. I want this grape plant or grapevine to grow in a trellis. So parang bakod po ang style niya. Ayan, yung mga alambre. Hanggang doon sa dulo. It is about 12 feet length po horizontally. And about 7 feet in height. Okay, so right now this young grapevine has reached the canopy and it's about time for me to top off the shoot at the topmost portion. This is to encourage the growing of the laterals and also the fattening of the main trunk. You see, one concern that I have po for this plant, medyo payat yung kanyang main trunk. As you can see, this should be at least pencil size. Kaya lang po, ito halimbawa yung pencil size, malayo, payat pa siya, payat. Okay, so the trunk should be at least pencil size or should be bigger than pencil size. So in such manner sana yung lateral niya para maging mas malaki din yung mga lateral shoots niya. But humaba lang siya, tumaas na siya ng tumaas, hindi pa siya tumataba. So what I have to do right now, since it has already reached its canopy, is to pinch the top off. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, dito lang po sa ibabaw na to, i-pinch ko na siya or something closer here. Ayan, okay, hindi pala siya nakafocus. Okay, dito ko na lang po siya i-pinch. Or maybe something above here. Ayan, ganyan po. Then i-align ko na lang siya dito. Okay. At this stage din also, what I will do is to remove all the tendrils. Ang tendrils po, itong mga ganito. Ito po yung tendrils yung kumakapit sa kahoy. I don't think I'll be needing them kasi i-guide naman natin siya ng ganito. So without the tendrils, the plant will be encouraged to concentrate energy on other parts of the plant. Okay? So para mabawasan lang po yung kanyang pinagkakaabalahan. Okay. Also, yung iba po kasi, ang sinasabi, you cannot top off or cut parts of the plant without first waiting for the trunk to reach pencil size. But in this case, ahaba siya ng ahaba without reaching the pencil size. So, I need to do what I have to do, and that is to pinch. Now, by pinching the top, or cutting the top of this grapevine, I would like it to encourage to grow shoots from the sides, like these horizontal shoots, and this one, and possibly also this one. Ngayon, this horizontal shoots I will lay towards the right side, papunta po sa kanan. Ganun po yung bala kong gawin dito. Okay, so I'll be making an update of this video, maybe a few weeks from now, to give you an update kung paano po nangyari, kung gumanda ba itong ano ko, naging mas malaki ba yung trunk niya, or namatay ba siya. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.